Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi grade 8. How are you today? I hope you are in good condition. The values of Pancasila is the reflect the values of daily behavior of the Indonesian nation. Today, we are going to learn about the values of Pancasila. Okay, let's watch the following video.
Immediately we had proclaimed our independence in August 45, we attached as preamble to our constitution the Pancasila. Panca means five, Sila means principle. The Pancasila, the five guiding principles of our national life. Perhaps you know already what our Pancasila is. It gives us the five principles of our state. These are: first, believe in God. Second, nationalism. Third, humanity. Fourth, democracy. Fifth, social justice.
Pancasila values are a guideline for Indonesia citizen in the life of the nation and state. Pancasila values are expected to become the spirit and soul of the Indonesian nation. Each of the sila contained in Pancasila, it has its own meaning and can be applied in everyday life. The following are some examples of positive attitudes that are compatible with the value of Pancasila in daily life. The first sila, symbolized by a star. The values of goodness contained in the first sila, ketuhanan yang Maha Esa, are: the Indonesian nation express their trust and devotion to God Almighty. Number 2, developing a respectful attitude of respecting and cooperating between different religions. And number 3, do not impose a religion and trust on God Almighty to others. This picture shows that Indonesia is a godly country. The Indonesian government officially recognizes only 6 religions, namely Islam, Protestantism, Catholicism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. This picture shows the attitude of mutual respect between followers of religion in Indonesia. Second sila, symbolized by a chain. Example of values in the second sila: kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab, are: number 1, recognizing and treating humans according to their dignity as creatures of God Almighty. Number 2, develop mutual love our fellow humans. Number 3, develop an attitude that is not arbitrary towards others. Number 4, likes to do humanitarian activities. And number 5, dare to defend truth and justice. This picture shows the application of the second sila. which are fond of doing humanitarian activities and slings of loving fellow humans. The third sila symbolized by a picture of the banyan tree. The values in the third sila, Persatuan Indonesia, are: number 1, able to place the unity and interest and safety of the nation and state as a common interest above personal and group interests. Number 2, able and willing to sacrifice for the interests of the country and nation. Number 3, develop love for the motherland and the nation. And number 4, develop the unity and integrity Indonesia on the basis of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. The picture shows the application of the third sila, which are attitudes that show love for the motherland and develop unity of the basis of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. The fourth sila, symbolized by the picture of a bull's head. The values in the fourth sila, kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan, are: number 1, as citizen of Indonesia have the same status, rights, and obligation. Number 2, you can't force will on others. Number 3, prioritize deliberation in making decision for the common good. And 4, respect and uphold every decision reached as a result of deliberation. This picture shows an example of the application of the fourth sila, namely prioritizing deliberation in making decision for the common good and respecting and upholding its decision. The fifth sila symbolized by the picture of rice and cotton. The values in the fifth sila, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia, are: number 1, develop a fair attitude towards others. Number 2, maintaining a balance between rights and obligation. Number 3, respect the rights of others. Number 4, not wasteful and luxurious lifestyle. 5, like to work hard. And 6, like to appreciate the work of others. These pictures show the application of the fifth sila, namely maintaining a balance between right and obligation, and like to appreciate the work of others. This action is not in accordance with the fifth sila. Don't be wasteful and luxurious lifestyle. Your task today: mention the implementation of Pancasila values in daily life, at your home, at your school, and at your society.
Students, that's all for this meeting. I'm waiting for your task. Please be on time, and thanks for watching. See you on the next meeting, and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.